Hey guys, Anthony here from XXRC Garage, and what I am getting ready to do and show you is something pretty cool. Now I know you guys, a lot of guys out there buy the Futaba. Let me get my camera right, it's like leaning too far. Okay, I know a lot of you guys get the Futaba and Spectrums and stuff like that for the drag cars, but I saw this and I thought it was, at first I thought it wasn't Futaba because it was touchscreen. Now this bag is not the right bag for this because it's not a sandwall, but what it is a KYOSHO. Now I did get it used. I know they go for $300 or $400, and I know they're used a lot in these like mini Z cars. But the one thing I wanted to test is how well this thing would work, because I love the touchscreen aspect. Check this out. Let me turn it on. If you can hear that motor running sound, and then here's the screen. And check this out. Touch. It's just like a phone. So this is really cool. I love this because I like Spectrum, but the problem with Spectrum is you got to dial here, you got to do this. I like this part. The only downfall to this is getting receivers for this. Unfortunately, the receivers come from Japan, and supposedly they're not cheap. But I did get a great deal on this thing here. I can't argue about that. I mean, this was like a $320 radio, and I picked it up for under half of that price, so which is awesome. I think it was like $125 or something like that. I don't know. Regardless, but this thing is pretty cool. I am going to change out the batteries and put a battery pack in here before it's over with. But for now, I'm just going to use regular AA's. So one of the things I wanted to test is checking out my endpoints stuff. So I've got my car on the table here. Let's go ahead and put it down here so you can see it. So I got the car on the table, and got the radio queued up, and I'm back. The battery was charged up already. So, and why is this not picking up the radio? That's weird. Super strange. I wonder if I changed the model on this thing for some reason. Let's go to... Still learning this thing, guys, so please forgive me. Model. Models. And it's set on them vet. It's weird. I don't know what's going on. Steering's working. Do I have a disconnected motor wire? Oh, that wire looks kind of loose. Is that loose? That is loose. Okay. Maybe I need to fix that before we get started. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. For some reason the wire was loose here. I got it fixed, and for some reason, I don't know why, but the radio had to be recalibrated. So okay, so now that's done, let me dump down this fine sand from the road earlier. So what we're doing is I'm going to play with the settings on his radio. So what we're going to do is I want to go to throttle curve. So I got throttle curve set up at 60%. Whoa! Okay guys, Anthony here from XXX Garage. We are testing and tuning the chassis that I usually have the vet body on. Right now I have the 66 Chevy 2 on it because I just didn't want to damage the body up on the test runs. And I'm playing around with the KYOSHO radio with the touchscreen and messing with my travel curves, and so I've been trying to work on that too. Let's see what happens. Ready, set, go. Not bad. Yeah, I'm on my street because the place where I go racing or running a lot of times is so hot. So I'm going to bring you guys down more to ground level here, so hold on. That was my afterburners from my car, just joking. We live by an airport. All right, here we go. Ready, set. Got too many bumps on this road. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, let's do a burnout. Okay. 3, 2, 1. My road's got too many weird dips in it. Three, two, one, go. Got to tune the wheelie bar. If you guys watch my other videos, you'll know what I mean by that. Something I learned by the 707 crew. So, gotta tweak it left because it likes to go right. Ready, set. Anyway, guys, this KYOSHO radio. First, when I was buying it, I thought I was getting Futaba. Didn't really read the ad that well. Then when I realized KYOSHO, I was thinking, oh well, can't be all that bad. And it's been pretty decent. I mean, it's all touchscreen. Get in here, you can set your throttle curves. You can fix your brakes if you like. There's all kinds of stuff you can do to this thing. There's also a second row of different things. So it's pretty cool. And you can do up to 20 models on this car, on this radio as well. Anyway, so I think these people left, so I can go ahead and start running again. Oh, and you can also unbolt these 3 screws here and move this to this side if you're a lefty. So pretty cool. And it's got a lot of different things here. It's pretty cool. Lost the card back there. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, trying to keep closing this thing on my fingers. So anyway, that was that, and I'm also showing the, like I said, the KYOSHO, whatever radio. It's the KT-432PT. This is actually popular with the Mini Z cars that race on the little Mini Z tracks. But I think this thing's performing pretty decent for what I got here. And anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.